Well, today my plan is to change the hydraulic oil. I haven't changed it since I got it, and I put like 250 hours on the machine. And I don't know what the service was before. So I did a oil sample test from Blackstone Laboratories. Check them out, they're pretty good. They gave me a list of they tested like the iron, the calcium, potassium, all the elements in the hydraulic oil, and they suggested to change it because it had 4 times the amount of steel in it that it should have. So that's what I'm doing today. I got here, let's see here, it should have 31 gallons. So this one's full, and then this one's a little bit. So I have like almost 35 gallons. But anyways, let's see. What I did last night was I took off the side panel so I can better access the hydraulic tank here. So let's see here. That's the main drain plug, and I gotta go get some 5-gallon buckets, a lot of them, so I don't run out. And also, I was watching Let's Dig 18, and he gave some good advice on doing this on his mini excavator. If I can figure out, I'll put a link in the bottom of this video to his video. But basically you contract all the hydraulic cylinders to put all the hydraulic oil into the tank and then drain it. So that's my project for today, and I will bring you along for it. So here we go. Oh, there we go. As you guys were zoomed out, I went flying like 10 feet. My goodness. Okay. There we go. Shit. this hydraulic oil probably hasn't been changed. So I'm just holding that vent at the top. That kind of helps smooth it out. There we go, we're slowing down now. Awesome. So let's see here. That was four full 5-gallon buckets, and then we're probably right there. So like 22 gallons or so. The manual says 31, but I'm sure there's stuff in the lines and stuff. So that might be better. Okay, that was way better. I don't know, they took about 3 or 4 5-gallon buckets. But that's the sight glass. It's looking pretty good. We got no leaks here so far. So I'm gonna turn it on, get it circulated, and then we'll see what the level is then. But it's all buttoned up, so it really was pretty easy. Almost easier than an oil change. It came out so fast. But yeah, if you guys need to do a hydraulic oil change, it's really not that hard. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, just feel free to comment and I'll try my best to answer them. So thanks. See you on the next one.